My dream finally came true! I'm here in Europe and it's been 3 weeks since we arrived, and there's a lot of things that I already miss about the Philippines.
So we made this video to remind ourselves about all the best things that Philippines has to offer. And I bet some of you who are local or living there for a long time will relate and understand these.
And if you're feeling a bit stuck or stranded where you are, remember to enjoy the unique things on this list. First, you can always go outside wearing nothing but flip-flops, short, and a t-shirt.
We're gonna do a little experiment now. Go get your sandals. So you're gonna go outside now with just the slippers.
No.
Is this t-shirt weather?
No, it's t-shirt weather. Oh, no. I want to go inside. It's so cool. People said it looks stupid. It's so cool.
I do not know of another country where jeepneys are as common as in the Philippines. And you know what? They're pretty awesome. I don't think they belong on the roads in 2019, but I missed seeing their colors around.
Fresh from the tree, who will not miss this? Super healthy and almost cheaper than water.
It's something very unique to Southeast Asia. Philippines actually used to be the #1 producer of buko in the world, but it's recently been overtaken by Indonesia. It's a healthy, tasty nectar of the gods.
Worst thing about living in Manila is without a doubt the traffic.
Yes, my life was made 33% easier when I discovered Angkas. I wish there were similar transportation methods in Europe, but not yet.
Good thing it's legal again and you guys have it as an option. All-time favorite fast food since I was a kid. How I wish it would be in Europe soon.
Okay, I can agree with this. I think Jollybee is the best fried chicken in the world, hands down.
When I had chicken in McDonald's, they did not put gravy.
I have a feeling there might be more ramen shops in Manila than in Tokyo.
Already after the first week of cold in Europe, I was craving for my weekly bowl of ramenagi.
We do have lots of Japanese food in Europe, but it's way less common and usually more expensive. Watch our reviews of the best ramen shops in Manila if you want to know where to eat. Well, if you haven't been to Europe, you may not realize that most cities do not have skyscrapers. In general, they have strict 3 to 5 floor limit for its housing, with the exception of business districts. I love seeing the high-rise buildings in BGC. It gives Manila this awesome futuristic and cool feel.
Yeah, I was surprised that the tallest building I've been seeing are castles and churches.
Well, that's the idea. They cannot build a mall next to the Eiffel Tower because that would kind of ruin the view to the Eiffel Tower. Mang Inasal is awesome. I dare you to find better chicken for 100 peso in the whole world. You can't. It tastes awesome. And it's almost like eating for free.
This is my last 1 PM2 of Mang Inasal. Main reason why people travel to Asia is because of beaches, corals, diving. Did I mention about amazing beaches? I just said beaches 3 times. Well, you don't need me to tell you, go and enjoy our national treasure.
So the Philippines is not a beer drinking nation, and as such there aren't many good options. But in 2 years of living there, I did find a couple of beers that I became quite fond of. So I urge you to go out there and try these out. CERVEZA Negra, made by San Miguel, and KETTLE, made in Liliu.
It's not made in Liliw. It's made in Laguna. As you probably know, we have a lot of Korean visitors in the Philippines. This means a surprisingly high quality of Korean foods in Manila. 9. Is 10 enough? More?
Maybe. How many do you need? How many sinigangs?
That's Europe's speed.
Nope. We don't have sinigang mix, that's for sure. You know, eating mangoes with salt and soy sauce is freaking weird.
You can eat the mango with anything you want. My favorite is shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste. Ugh.
Anyway, our fruit consumption is going to go way down.
And the thing we're gonna miss the most.
Traveling is expensive. You don't need to give up your dreams just because you think it's impossible to travel with all those expenses and responsibilities that you have with your family. You just need to develop the skills that people are willing to pay for. And to help you with this, there is Skillshare. You can learn and develop your skills by the help of those professional people who share their experiences. Skillshare is the best place to start. Find your passion and the one thing that people are willing to pay real money for.